First at 6, HNN investigates a Kona psychologist who's getting to choose his possible punishment for alleged sex crimes against a 14-year-old patient. Our Allison Blair reports on the plea deal that some say is unusual.
Ruben Layla was facing up to 20 years in prison without the possibility of probation. Now he'll likely serve a fraction of that. HNN Investigates took Layla's plea agreement to a legal expert who told us while that part's typical, this isn't an average deal.
This particular plea agreement that I reviewed is very unusual.
Legal expert Victor Baque has practiced law 30 years and says a deal like this is rare.
Because it gave the defendant the option to pick and choose which scenario, so to speak, that he wanted to plead under.
Last June, Ruben Layla was indicted on 4 counts of sex assault. Records revealed the victim's family was seeking help from its Kona-based nonprofit, the Loving Service Foundation. The facility was located on a 22-acre compound off Huehue Street. It was there the 72-year-old is accused of repeatedly sexually assaulting a 14-year-old patient. Court records show the abuse started in 2019 and continued 7 months after the clinical psychologist convinced the boy's parents to let the victim live with him while receiving treatment. According to the nonprofit's website that has since been taken down, the facility specialized in treating children and teens who were dying or suffering from chronic illness. Last month, Layla agreed to a plea deal. According to this court document, he was given 2 choices. He could plead to 2 counts of sexual assault in the second degree.
But he would have to agree to probation and 18 months as a minimum, and the prosecutors would definitely be asking for the 10 years as a maximum.
Or Layla could plead guilty to counts 3 and 4, sexual assault in the third degree.
They said he could just take a 5-year prison term maximum, and he just goes in, and then it would be up to the parole board.
Baque says in his experience, the fact he was given a choice between 2 deals is strange.
And when you see this type of charge, you always have to be careful that things don't look too unusual, because then it looks like somebody's getting a favor or there might be some type of corruption.
We asked the Hawaii Island Prosecutor's Office why Layla was given options and how often something like that happens. Prosecuting attorney Keldon Walchin didn't answer the questions, but in a statement disagreed that the offer was unusual, saying in part our office considers the victim's desired outcome, potential harm, and trauma and input, especially in serious cases. According to court documents, Layla picked deal number 1.
He will ask for probation in 18 months. The prosecutor will ask for up to 10 years, and then it'll be up to the judge to decide.
HNN Investigates made attempts to reach Layla by email and through one of his attorneys to give him an opportunity to provide comment for this story. We have not gotten a response.
Layla is scheduled to be sentenced on May 24th. We'll let you know what happens. Allison Blair, Hawaii News Now.